Yo guys, so I have a very sweet update for you guys. Very cool update. So do you know you can actually convert a screenshot to design in Figma? Let me show you how to do that. Trust me, if you are a lazy designer, this is for you. So let me head over to Pinterest and search for anything at all to screenshots. Let me select this and I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this one right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and screenshot it. Okay, as you can see, I've taken a screenshot here. Then I'm going to go over to Photoshop. Okay, so this is my screenshot right here. So I'm going to go over to Photoshop and open this thing and crop it. Okay, so I'm going to crop it in Photoshop and okay, because this area we're about to use have a dimension. Okay, there's a particular dimension that it can accept. All right, so watch what I'm going to do. Watch how I'm going to convert this screenshot to design. So I'm going to save it, guys. Save it. Okay, it can. This AI accepts maximum of 1440 pixel. Okay, so I'm just going to scale it up a little bit to 1440 pixel. Okay, no, let me go back. Let me take it back. I'm gonna cancel. Okay, and save. Okay, so since it is below 1440, I'm going to save it direct. Okay, so I'm going to save and I'm going to save it to my downloads. We'll watch the magic, guys. So I'll save this. So I'm going to go over to my Figma, guys. Go to your plugin, right? Search for Codia. Search for Codia AI design screenshots. Right, look at it right here, Codia. Okay, search for Codia. Click on it and just hold on till it opens. Okay, this is not the one I want to open, guys. This is the one. Okay, I want to open this one. Okay, yeah, Codia AI screenshots. Guys, you are going to see the magic. Damn, I tried it and I was so amazed. So you can see right here, drop and drop, drag and drop here, or paste it here, or select from layer. Okay, supported format PNG, JPEG, web format. Maximum resolution is 1440 by 1440 pixel, and the maximum file size you can collect is 5 MB. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap on this place and go over to my go over to my screenshots, open it right there, come over here, tap to Figma and watch the AI do its magic. You can see how it is analyzing it, right, top to bottom, bottom to top. Just watch, guys. Ha, just watch. Damn, this is so amazing. So if you are a lazy designer, this is for you, guys. It's not just for lazy designers. Even as a pro, there are some designs that you might want to actually copy and transform to your particular pattern. Okay, so this is for you guys. Just watch the AI do its thing. Guys, boom, you can see how it is actually analyzing and dropping every content. Okay, you can see how it is trying to analyze it and drop every content. Okay, trust me, this is going to be the same exact the way you screenshotted it. Damn. So trust me, as you can see, it's actually creating layers for them, creating components, creating layers, creating frames for them. Okay, see them right here. See how it is analyzing this design. So if normally if you are to design this, it's going to take you probably like 3 hours, 3 hours to design, depending on how fast you are. But trust me, with just a click, in less than 5 minutes, you are going to design your app, design your website, and it's so cool, guys. So cool. Damn, damn, damn. Trust me, I'm impressed. I am so impressed. As you can see, congratulations, successfully converted the image to Figma. New task. For now, I don't want a new task, so I'm gonna close it. You can see this is a screenshot here. This is a screenshot here, and this is the design here. So when I tap on this one right here, you can see the it has created every image, every text right here in the layer. So I can even adjust. If I tap on this one right here, I can adjust it. So let me move it around. You see right? You see right there? I can just adjust. I can adjust the way I want. I can adjust the way I want. See, guys, I can adjust it the way I want. As you can see, the design is clearer than the screenshot. This is a screenshot, right? This is a screenshot, and this is the design. I can even prototype this in if I choose to, guys. I can prototype it if I choose to. Damn. So all I need to do is just select my frame. Let's say I want to put it inside your frame like now. Yeah, let me select iPhone 14. Okay, so I'll go over, select this one right here. Okay, and I think this is the root. Yes, this is it. This is it, right? And this is it. Okay, so I can go over and copy this one, right? I can copy this one right here and put it inside here. Tap my key on my keyboard to scale it. Tap my key on my keyboard to scale it, guys, and I'll scale it like so. Nice. And bring it down a little bit. Then select this one. Alright, select this one right here. And of course, put it right here too. Inside this artboard, tap my key on my keyboard and scale it. And scale it till it fits into my artboard. Okay, till it fits into my artboard. And of course, I can just edit, and editing it won't be a problem, Editing this won't be a problem, right? And so trust me, you can try this. You can try this thing out, guys. You can try it out. You can try it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring this. Okay, so we are cool. Let me just preview this and see how it's gonna turn out. Preview and preview here. Okay, yeah. Did I shift that? Oh, I shifted it, guys. I shifted it. Yes. So see right here. You can see it inside the preview, right? This is my design. So if I choose to prototype this one right here, I can see prototype it. Let me prototype. So you see, I'm going to duplicate this artboard, right? And I'm going to go ahead and reduce the opacity, right? And reduce the opacity of this guys right here. Where am I? Okay. Yeah. Let me just try something out and see. I'm going to reduce the opacity of these images right here. Sorry. Yes, I'm going to tap on them like so and reduce the opacity. Okay, do 0. Right, so I'm gonna link these pages together and drag over to this artboard, and we're gonna make it after delay, right? Smart animation. Okay, let me try this. So I'm gonna preview for us to see. Sweet, guys. Damn. So you can actually steal, yeah, in quotes, steal someone else's design and modify it. Okay, and save time, guys. Just do it and save time. Do it and save time. Let me change it. Let me change it to bounce. You can do this and save time, guys. Sweet. So don't forget the plugin to actually achieve this is go over here and search for Kodia AI design, right? Screenshot to Figma. Okay.